What is up guys, Gian here of GadgetPilipinas.net. A few months ago, ASUS launched the Zenfone 5 series here in the Philippines, and they told us during the launch that they will finally be launching the Zenfone 5Z in a couple of months. And now it's June. Where is the Zenfone 5Z? It is now with us, right? So today guys, we're going to unbox the newest and the latest in the Zenfone 5 line or the family, and this is the Zenfone 5Z. So stay tuned. Zenfone 5Z's retail box is similar to what we've seen from Zenfone 5. Fun aside, it's full of Zen and it tries to be as simple as it can be. Information about the device can be read at the back, and it's up to you if you want to spend some time reading some tech jargons that most people don't care about. Upon seeing the box, you will find yet another smaller box which contains a SIM ejector tool that you will likely lose, manual that you might not read, and a silicone case which you might not use because you want to flaunt the all-new design of the Zenfone 5Z. You will later realize that you definitely need it when your phone gets its first major ding. Moving on to the inner box, which obviously I'm having a difficult time opening, you will find a few more items. There is an included earphone with 3.5mm headphone jack and earbuds. This would have been nice if ASUS included a Zen Ear S instead. A white Type-C USB cable, which will later become yellowish or brownish in color. Good luck with that. And a power adapter, which supports Qualcomm fast and AI charging. Let us now unwrap the Zenfone 5Z. Just to let you know, we won this phone during the launch a few months back. Technically, by the time of this recording and uploading, what you're seeing is the first retail unit of the Zenfone 5Z in the Philippines. Let me give you a tour of the phone. The device is just as big as the Zenfone 5. It features 6.2 inches display with resolution up to 1080 by 2247 pixels. The display has a notch, but that's something you can hide if you're not a fan of it. Similar to the Zenfone 5, all the hardware buttons are located on the right side. On the left side, you will find a microphone and SIM card slot which can house 2 SIMs and 1 microSD. At the bottom of the device, you will see a 3.5mm headphone jack connection, USB Type port, another microphone, and dual speakers. Up top, the smartphone sports yet another microphone. And yes, the phone has 3 microphones for advanced noise cancellation purposes. At this point, let me try to show you the Zenfone 5Z beside popular flagship smartphones by ASUS, Huawei, and Oppo. The phone runs on the latest version of Android 8.0 with Zen UI. The new Zen UI looks a lot simpler this time, with deep emphasis on necessity and speed over functionalities. Cooked inside its custom software is AI-focused features, which optimize the phone's power consumption, performance, and photography. Speaking of photography, the Zenfone 5Z has the same camera specs compared to Zenfone 5. It has 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual cameras at the back and front-facing 8 megapixel camera. Both front and back cameras have EIS, so expect a bit of stabilization when taking videos and photos. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 845 with 4 cores with Cryo 385 Gold and 4 cores with Cryo 385 Silver and 6GB of RAM, the Zenfone 5Z we have right now is one of the fastest smartphones, almost at par with our Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and Huawei P20. So that's about it, guys. That has been our unboxing of the Zenfone 5Z. Watch out because this will be available in stores this June 18 for $29,995. What do you think about our unboxing? It is good. If you like it, press like if you're watching this on Facebook. And if you're watching this on YouTube, just click that like and also that heart button. And if you haven't subscribed to our page, please do so by clicking subscribe. Again, this has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you for watching this video.